Hello everyone, so today we are going to talk about Scanning Electron Microscopy or SEM. Now, SEM is similar to TEM or Transmission Electron Microscopy because both of them use electron beam. Now the reason why they use electron beam is because the wavelength of electrons is less compared to wavelength of light, so a better magnification can be obtained. Now the electron gun present in this SEM and TEM microscope emits the electrons which first pass through the condenser lens and then through the objective lens it passes through the specimen. Now the condenser lens and the objective lens are two lenses which are not made up of glass. They are made up of magnetic coils which focuses these electrons on this specimen. Now at specimen, at a given time interval, a beam is focused onto a single point at a certain depth. So at a given time interval, a beam is focused only onto a single point and at a certain depth. Now this beam is recognized. Now the amount of electrons which are scattered by the specimen at this point or from this point are measured by detector. So the amount of electrons which are scattered from the specimen from this point are detected by this detector. Now in this way the whole specimen is scanned all across. So in this way the specimen is scanned all across and the detector detects all the electrons which are scattered and a final image is formed in the viewing screen. Now the final image which is formed is a three-dimensional image obtained in viewing screen. So it is a three-dimensional in-depth image which is obtained. The resolution of SEM is 3 to 20 nanometer. So however the resolution of SEM is lesser than TEM, which is a resolution of 1 nanometer, but SEM produces three-dimensional in-depth images which is not produced by TEM because it produces two-dimensional images. Thank you.